Are you missing the sound of the waves and the sand sliding through your feet? Then come, let's take you with us to the exotic land of Bali. So even while you're sitting at home, you feel like you're taking a beautiful location off your bucket list. Welcome to the Bali Ngurah Rai International Airport. Also known as Denpasar Airport, it's quite close to some of the most popular spots in Bali. So let's quickly check into our hotel at Kuta and get started. Bali is famous for its beaches, food, shopping and its great party scenes. And the biggest hubs are Kuta, Seminyak and Legian Street. But before we start partying, let's go grab something to eat. Let's head to Sister Fields in Seminyak where we'll indulge in some authentic Balinese food. Now Sister Fields is known for its great breakfast that they serve all day. Just look at all that delicious food. Now that our tummies are full, let's explore Seminyak. Seminyak is a popular beach resort area at the southern end of Bali. It is best known for the beach clubs and bars around it. So let's dress up and go shake a leg. Filled with pubs, bars and shops, this place is a heaven for those who love a vibrant nightlife. I'd say head to Potato Beach Club for some wine and dine. If you're up for it, go take a dip in their infinity pool, which is even open for dinner guests. After all that partying last night, it's time to head to Bali's island life. Bali has 3 famous islands that all tourists love: Gili Trawangan, Gili Meno and Gili Air. We're heading to the most famous of the 3 and the heart of Bali's party culture, Gili Trawangan. For that, let's get into a ferry from Padang Bai Harbour and enjoy a nice 1-hour ferry ride. Now what's special about Gili Trawangan, or as it's fondly called Gili T, is that no vehicles are allowed here. So you have to either walk, cycle or use a horse cart. Spend your day at Gili T just lazing around by the beach, soaking your feet in the blue waters and enjoying a spectacular sunset. Hey, don't forget to click beautiful pictures of the water swings facing the sunset. Okay, I'm most excited about today because you know where I'm going to take you? Well, I'm going to take you underwater. Yes, you're right. Let's go scuba diving. Well, that was refreshing and a little tiring, and it's definitely made me very hungry. Let's go eat some yummy island food. Bali is famous for its nasi goreng and mee goreng, and I'm going to enjoy some right now. And this actually cost us 20,000 rupiah, which converts to like $100, and this giant bowl of soup. Now let's burn those calories by cycling around the island and checking out some of their boutique stores. Look at all these artifacts. Aren't they cute? Enough of shopping though. It's time to take part in the famous Gili T nightlife, and today, let's go bar hopping. The locals of Bali love India, Indians and especially Bollywood music. Sorry guys, after all that drinking last night, I bet you have a hangover. But no problem, nothing that some fresh sea air won't cure, because it's time to leave Gili Tea and head back to Padang Bai Harbour. Now that we're back to the mainland, I'm thinking, enough of beaches. Let's take you to the beautiful rice terraces of Ubud. But I've planned a surprise en route. Let's try the Bali swing. The line is totally worth the wait as you fly off land and enjoy the spectacular moment. Wasn't that amazing? It's time to get back on the road and drive to picturesque Ubud. Actually, let's stop for some coffee with susu. Wait, it's not what you're thinking. In Bali, milk is called susu. Ubud has a beautiful romantic feel to it with its rice terraces and greenery all around. Don't forget to try some authentic babi guling, an Ubud speciality. It's piglet meat and it's absolutely delicious. While we saw the rice terraces yesterday, let's now go check out the lovely woodwork and wood workshops in Ubud. I'm in Ubud today. We've just done a road trip to Ubud, and Ubud is famous for its woodwork and its sculpture. I'm in this beautiful store and they've got all this woodwork and stone structures and it's absolutely gorgeous. Even the smell here is so nice. Okay, we hope you've remembered to put on your walking shoes because today I'm going to take you to my favorite spot in all of Bali. It's called Tanah Lot. Tanah Lot is an ancient Hindu shrine that is perched on a cliff with the waves crashing against the rocks. It's both frightening and wondrous to look at. Oh, and don't forget to click lots of pictures because this place is totally Instagrammable. All this walking and exploring has really got me thirsty. Chalo, let's go have some coconut water.
This is the size of a coconut here and it's really heavy.
I'm going to need your help finishing this. Well, if you head out of Tanah Lot towards the parking, you'll find a bunch of shops and it's where you get the cheapest accessories in all of Bali. So I say, let's indulge. Or maybe not. It's almost evening now and I'm thinking, let's head to Rock Bar in Bali to catch a spectacular sunset over some bintang beers. Well, enough of the sightseeing. It's time to go surfing. Today I'm going to take you to Canggu. Now, not many Indians know of this surfer's paradise and it's mainly populated with Australians. But we're going to fit right in. Let's start with some fun surfing lessons. Well, that was great. But after all those lessons, it's time we treat ourselves to one last night of partying in Bali. Canggu has an insane party scene that goes on till the wee hours of the morning. In fact, once the pubs shut, you can continue dancing on the beach. It's our last day in Bali and it's time to head to the airport. But before that, let's indulge in one relaxing Balinese massage. That was so nice. We hope we took you on a fun virtual trip to Bali right there from your home. And until our next virtual tour, you know what you've got to do. Stay safe, stay home.